Hey guys, today we're going to talk about summing or auto-summing columns and rows in Excel. There's a easy tool to do this. There's all sorts of things you can type up here to make things happen in Excel if you're familiar with it. Anytime you start with any kind of equation in a cell, it starts with equals, and you could do equals sum and then start and finish like this. That takes more clicks, more typing than the fastest way to go about it. The fastest way to go about it, and this is Excel 2019, is to click in the cell you want the sum to end up in. So we're going to name this total or totals. And if we want to total all of January's expenditures, I've got a couple expenditures here I just threw in there. We can go up to the top right, and I'm on the home panel on the top ribbon here, and once we're up there we're going to hit auto sum. Now it's automatically selecting the range. It's pretty smart. There's a couple gaps in this technology or algorithm, I'll say, and I'll show you how to get around those too. But once you click auto sum right in this top right area, what you're going to do is you're going to just make sure it's selected the right things to sum, and you'll press enter, and there's your total. Now we could do this for each row individually. We can go up and click here and click and all that, or we could actually copy the sum over. There are several ways to do that. You could do what I just did, which is select this cell here, and what that's doing is it's actually selecting the calculation, and then when we move the calculation by clicking on it and clicking this bottom right corner and dragging it, it actually copies the calculation, and it copies it based on where it's located. So it's saying relative to its position, we're doing these rows above it. You can see column B, and here it's in column C, and here it's in column D. So it automatically learned that pretty quick, pretty simple. Rows are similar, so I'm just going to get rid of these. Actually, we'll leave them for now. And rows, I want to show you one gap that you might run into, but rows, you do it the same. You want to be butted up against your data. So this is all of our data set here. If you have any gaps in your data, it's much better to use a 0. See, that still works, than to leave it blank. So for instance, if I click it here, it sees this gap, so it's not sure what to do here, so it stops the sum. It doesn't want to go into an area it thinks it's not supposed to. You can overcome that a couple ways. Either add your 0 in, and then you can sum it. That works. Or if you really want it blank for some reason, you can click on auto sum, and then while it's doing this box thing, before you hit enter, you can just select the area you want it to sum and press enter, and that'll bypass it. I hope that's helpful to you guys, and have a good day. We make these videos for you guys, so if you enjoyed it, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for us, and let us know we're doing a good job. If you hated it, give us a thumbs down. If you loved it, give us a thumbs up. I appreciate it.